Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars, and today I'm going to show you the most immaculate Volvo XC70. This is a 2011 61 plate XC70. It's the D3 SE Lux Geartronic automatic, finished in oyster grey metallic with full black leather upholstery. First thing I'm going to say about this car is please don't be put off by the mileage. This car is immaculate with a complete Volvo service history. Recent brake discs all round and pads, hardly a mark on this. It is absolutely beautiful. So let's have a look around. So in the front here, we've got front parking sensors on this as well as rear parking sensors. This car's also got the what they call active bending lights, which are a xenon headlight, and they move with the wheels. So it kind of tends to, as you come up to approach a corner, it kind of moves, and it sort of they move to look around the corner a little bit. Okay, plenty of ground clearance with this, obviously, as well, being an XC, which is lovely. So you sit up a little bit higher. Headlight washers on here as well, which is part of the pack with the xenons. Just want to show you these wheels. These are standard wheels and they are unmarked. Absolutely tip-top condition all round, and the car's got 4 matching Pirelli Scorpion tyres on here, which are nearly new as well. So it really has had everything done to this car. Even the cam belt's just recently been done as well. This is all listed on the photographs. We've got a photograph of all the service history on the website. Just looking down the side of the car, there's not a mark on it. It is absolutely beautiful. Same with the rear wheel as well. As I said, Scorpion tyres, unmarked alloy wheels, real pretty alloy wheels on here. Around the back here, as you can see, rear parking sensors on here as well. And this has got the electric tailgate as well, so let's just show you. Okay, and inside the back here, plenty of space in here, as you can imagine, with a Volvo, and also this has got the folding dog guard stroke luggage guard here as well. So if you're not using it, just folds up, you'd never know it's there. Obviously load area cover there as well, and down under here, extra storage space and repair kit under there also. So to shut this again, just push that button, that shuts it down. Just looking down this side as well, beautiful condition. Wheels, tyres, brake discs, everything in good order. Just show you in the back here. So you can see full black leather in here. Centre armrest, etc. Full set of mats in here as well. Electric folding mirrors as well. They fold when you lock the doors. You've got electric driver's seat with 3 memories. So we've got multifunction steering wheel here, so you can control your radio and cruise control and the phone system as well from the steering wheel. And moving across, having a look here, this is the satellite navigation on the screen here. It's also got DAB radio on here as well, and obviously the phone system in there as well. Nice aluminium trim in here as well, looks really pretty. Centre armrest, bit of storage space in the middle there as well. In the centre here as well, you've got USB port and auxiliary socket for plugging music in. Okay, just want to show you the city safety system on this. These couple of sections at the top of the windscreen, they've got a laser in here. If you're going slowly through traffic and somebody stops really quickly in front of you and you don't get a chance to get your foot on the brake, this will sense that and it will stop the car before you hit the car in front. So a really useful thing for in town. Okay, so let's show you under the bonnet. All lovely and clean and tidy under here. As I said before, this is the D3 2-litre 5-cylinder engine in here. Cam belt replaced at 106,000 miles, and that was done in April 2017. So there we have it. Let's just run through that again. It's a 2011 Volvo XC70 D3 SE Lux Geartronic automatic. Oyster grey metallic pearl is the colour with black leather interior. 120,000 miles. Please, again, don't be put off. This car is absolutely beautiful with a complete Volvo service history, 2 sets of keys, everything with it, and really, really well maintained. So If you need any more information, please give us a call. Simon Shield Cars Limited, 01473 658 091. Or alternatively, hop on the website where all the photographs are on there. We photographed the service history. Everything's there for you to have a look at as well. And the website is simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.